Another tiny one, 6 or 7 inches. See what we got here. Another trub or a little, this looks like a little trout this time. Let's see. Look at that, bigger chub. There's a bunch of them in here. At least we know there's something in here. It's about 6 or 8 inches probably. Let's let that guy go. Just to give you an idea of the size of this fungus. Put my hand next to it. That is one cool piece. There's another small one behind it. That is cool. All right, let's try this little falls right here. Put me a mealworm on. I'm gonna toss it above the falls. Let it go down in those rapids and see if there's not a suspecting trout down there that's wanting that thing. Well, it went through it. Nothing happened. Well, yeah, another little chub. I can't be feeding these things all day long. Can't feed them all day long. All right, we got something on. It's in these rapids right here. Let's see if it's a trout this time instead of another chub. Fighting a lot harder. It's a chub. That's all I'm getting around here. They're gonna call me the Great Chubber. Let's let that thing go. Let's hope this is not a... Yep. Another sucker, I believe. Goodness gracious. Just throw him back. Right, now, hopefully this one, I did see a trout down in there. So hopefully this one is a... Nope. Dang. Big sucker this time. That's about 10 inches long. Let's throw that sucker back in there for somebody else to have fun with one day. Though I'm not really having fun with it. Pretty sure I saw a trout in there. All right, now I got to get out of this place because there's another nice trout down in there, but 6 or 7 inch sucker. Swallowed her deep too. Listen to it. Listen to it squeak. There we go. Get way down the road.